Today we're going to talk about 3 things you did not know about visceral fat. It's Christine Hronik, food scientist and chemical engineer. And the first thing you need to know is that visceral fat cannot be removed via liposuction. And this is because fat is not created equal. There are 2 main types of body fat that are stored in the torso: subcutaneous fat, which is directly beneath the layer of the skin; visceral fat, which is deeply embedded within the organs. That cannot be removed via liposuction. As you can see in this photo, there was a big reduction in subcutaneous fat, but the visceral fat was still there and still needed to be dealt with. The next thing you need to know about visceral fat is that it is a metabolically active organ, and it releases inflammatory hormones and makes it very, very challenging for your body to function optimally. Number 3 is that visceral fat impacts the way your body processes sugars as well as fat. So what do you do about it? The first thing you need to know is that studies have shown that visceral fat is very responsive to exercise. The next thing is that you need to reduce your stress levels by increasing your sleep, managing your stress, and lowering that cortisol level. The next thing you need to do is you need to boost your protein, you need to boost your dietary fiber, you need to reduce your refined sugars and carbohydrates, and you need to be consistent. If you need help figuring out how to reduce visceral fat on your body, shoot me a DM. I'd be happy to help you out.